In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the can't connect to game error in League of Legends. Let's address this problem commonly faced by many players. We'll go step by step, ensuring you get back to your battles swiftly and seamlessly. First things first, let's verify that your internet connection is stable. An unstable internet connection can often cause this connection issue with your game. So, double-check your internet service by ensuring that your device is properly connected and that the signal is strong. Troubleshoot your network by restarting your router or trying a different network to see if the connection issue persists. Next, make sure your game client is fully up to date. League of Legends receives frequent updates, and if the client is outdated, it could cause connection issues. Simply open the Riot client and check for any pending updates. Download and install them to ensure your game is running with the latest software. After that, it's important to check your firewall settings. Firewalls are crucial in protecting your system from malware, but sometimes they can block League of Legends from connecting to the game server. Go to your firewall settings and make sure you have granted permission for League of Legends and the Riot client. This will allow your game to communicate without restrictions. Another helpful step is configuring your DNS settings. A domain name system, or DNS, sometimes requires a manual reset to improve connectivity. You can change your DNS settings by accessing your network properties. Opt for a public DNS server, like Google DNS, which uses the IP addresses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Apply these settings and see if your connection improves. If you're still facing trouble, try using a VPN. A virtual private network can bypass certain network restrictions that may interfere with your connection to the game. However, remember not all VPNs guarantee success, and it's more of a temporary workaround rather than a permanent fix. So, use this method with some caution. If none of these options work, it might be beneficial to reinstall the game. We know, reinstalling is a bit of a hassle, but it can eliminate corrupted files or glitches that may have developed after various patches and updates. Completely remove the game from your system, and then download and install the latest version from the official Riot Games website. Finally, should these steps not resolve your issue, reach out to Riot support. Their technical team is well equipped to handle such issues and can provide more in-depth troubleshooting tailored to your specific problem. Make sure to explain the steps you've taken so they can assist more effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to solve the can't connect to game error in League of Legends. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming! If this video helped you, consider sharing it with other players who might be facing similar issues. See you next time.